Hi everyone, welcome to Score Math 5 Minute. In this video, we will review Chapter 6, Linear Equations. We will focus on linear equations in one variable, linear equations in two variables and simultaneous linear equations. Let's get started. A linear equation in one variable, for example, 2x plus 3 equals 5, contains only one variable. The variable has a power of 1, and it includes an equal sign. Every linear equation in one variable has one unique solution. Remember, if the variable has a power of 2, it is not a linear equation. One way to solve a linear equation is by using the backtracking method. This method works backwards by using inverse operations to find the value of x. For example, x plus 4 equals 5. Since 4 is added to x to get 5, we use the backtracking method by starting with 5 and subtracting 4. Therefore, x equals 1. The backtracking method works best when the variable is only on the left-hand side of the equation. Remember the pairs of inverse operations. In this example, it is found that x is multiplied by 3, then 5 is added, resulting in 20. Using the backtracking method, we start with 20, subtract 5, and then divide by 3. Therefore, x equals 5. Tip: think of backtracking as undoing each step that was done to the variable. Keep using the opposite operation until you uncover the value of x. A linear equation in two variables, such as 2x plus 3y equals 5, has two variables. The power of each variable must be 1, and the equation must contain an equal sign. This equation has many pairs of solutions. For example, for the equation x plus y equals 5, some solution pairs are shown above. Each of these solution pairs satisfies the equation. How do we find solution pairs? We choose a value for x, then substitute it into the equation to find the corresponding value of y. For example, for this equation, if x equals 2, then y equals 6. If x equals 5, then y equals 3. Therefore, the equation has many solution pairs. Two equations are simultaneous linear equations in two variables if both equations are linear and have the same two variables. One method of solving simultaneous linear equations is the substitution method. In this method, an expression for one variable is substituted into the other equation. Since x equals y plus 2, we substitute this expression into the first equation. Next, solve the equation to find the value of y. Finally, substitute the value of y into the third equation to find the value of x. Therefore, the solution is x equals 5 and y equals 3. Besides the substitution method, another method for solving simultaneous linear equations is the elimination method. In this method, one variable is eliminated by adding or subtracting the two equations. When the two equations are added, the variable y is eliminated, and we obtain 2x equals 10. Hence, x equals 5. Next, substitute the value of x into one of the equations to find y equals 3. Therefore, the solution is x equals 5 and y equals 3. Now, try answering these questions as revision. Press the pause button if you need more time. Once you've finished, let's go through the answers together. Let's check the answers. For the first question, the value of x is 5 and the value of y is also 5. For the second question, there are many possible solution pairs. One possible answer is x equals 4 and y equals 5. For the third question, the solution is x equals 6 and y equals 4. In conclusion, a linear equation in one variable has one unique solution, whereas a linear equation in two variables has many pairs of solutions. A system of simultaneous linear equations can be solved using various methods, including the substitution method and the elimination method, to determine the values of both variables. Keep practicing, and you'll get better with every step. See you in the next lesson.